Want to describe the best, the fastest, or the biggest thing ever? When we compare more than two things, we use superlative adjectives. It's how we say something is the biggest of them all. The rule is easy. Just add the before the word and est, ist, at the end. Take the word fast, add the and est, and it becomes the fastest. Just like the stickman, he is simply the happiest one here. Whether it's a long pencil or the longest one, the rule stays the same. It's a perfect way to show that something is top tier. Try it out. This is the coolest game ever. See how that works? You are officially a superlative star. Subscribe for more grammar hacks.